Hi, I'm Lee Spencer, General Manager of Bell Ford. I want to thank you for purchasing a vehicle from us and personally welcome you to our long list of loyal and satisfied customers. I've managed this business for over 30 years, and although it's impossible for me to meet everyone, I want you to understand the great value I place on people just like you. As a small token of my appreciation, your first oil change is on me. Click the link below to redeem your certificate. Thank you again, and welcome to the Bell Ford family.